Chicken decided to catch a ride.
Yeah.
It's happiness. Good morning, you guys. Today we're gonna go put a new tire on the tractor. It busted out a couple weeks ago and we've been looking for a new tire, and we had to buy a tube as well. What is it?
I'm gonna go get my cat out.
Oh no. Uh-oh, they caught Whitley's cat.
Let it go, Whit.
Say kitty cat.
You saved the kitty.
Top lip's a little swelled up.
You want to tell them what you did?
I was changing a tractor tire and the bar got away from me and I hit myself in the nose with it.
You did it or Waylon did it?
It happened.
You're not placing any blame?
I'm thinking about it.
Alright, well,
No big deal.
the boys spent the morning taking the tube out and putting a new tube in.
Different tire.
A different tire, not new. New to us. I don't know.
My Easter bunny. That one told me. It was hard. It was in the freezer for like 2 days, like 5 days, 3 or 5 days,
I
and
need some blocks. Hold
they
on.
had to crush it up so it
We only have one more block. I won't end up on the finger.
This is kind of sketchy.
Why would you do it that way then?
That's the only way I know.
Putting that wheel twisties, it's off pressure.
There's about 3 or 4 more cranks.
Nobody get under the rock.
I don't like that little pipe jack.
Floor jack?
Whatever one he's working with right now, I don't like that one.
Why?
But
I like this one. That one's hard to work.
this one will jack up anything.
Whitley, get away from it. He said not on it or around it.
Well, now it's safe.
Put this back on track. Put that block back on track. Keep jacking up.
Don't get your body under anything.
How much more pressure?
Yeah, don't put yourself in a position where it could fall on you anywhere. Hold on, wait, stop, Waylon. Hold this tire up for him.
What are you doing?
Pretty close.
Go up just a little bit way.
Bless you.
Quit.
Do I need to lift it up a little bit?
Need to spin it, really. Hold it up.
That's to not hold it up.
Just don't let it fall over on him.
Too much, I'd say.
No, I think it lean it towards you a little. It's about right.
Yeah.
Keep going up, boy.
You have to lift the tire all the way up now.
Where did the other bolts go?
I got 4 of them. All right, stop.
You know the thing
Pajama
when it's up
time.
there is on the inside, right?
Yeah, it always has been. I can't get up that.
I mean, you could drill a different hole in this.
Bad idea.
I'll have to patch that other one though.
I'm stuck.
Which one?
Put it down now.
Nope. We're gonna snug them all up before we put it down. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna torque them. We're gonna tighten them down. All right, you boys run them on down. Oh yeah.
Come on.
Huh?
We put gas in it.
How much is in it?
Quarter tank.
You better check
We
that.
can put gas in it. Check what?
How much gas it got in it.
Mom, you can see the heat waves.
Honey, it shouldn't be hot.
That's gas evaporate.
Yeah, that's gas.
Then why does it look like heat waves?
Watch out, we're gonna fix and spill this everywhere.
Dad, why'd you unplug this?
Come here, baby.
I didn't do that. Who did that?
What?
Unplug these.
If we don't figure out which one it goes on.
Okay, that's gotta be 2.
Whitlee, did you touch that?
I was instructing my truck.
You have a manual somewhere that shows which way to go?
It's the firing order is 1342.
Empty.
We have to look it up.
You want me to look this out, Dad? I'll tighten it.
Yeah, I kind of think I can figure it out, but it's I'm gonna have to think about it.
So you never want it to be all the way.
Shouldn't ever have it halfway.
You have one 4, you can check it down here.
What's this? Hey, listen, what's this thing? Yep, gosh.
Mom, do I use that first?
Mm.
Drink on it. Drink on it. Drink on it. Do it again.
you have the firing order run?
Mm-hmm.
It'll still run?
Yeah, I'm just running right.
That don't sound good.
Ain't right. Let me see what you got.
I couldn't hardly give it any gas going up that hill. I
Yeah.
agree.
There's only two ways that it could be. It's either going to be like we was or like we haven't, according to what we know.
Like it is right now?
Or like we had a while ago.
Okay. Watch out.
So if that's 2, going backwards, you should have 4.
This should be 1, right?
Well,
the
we've
first
got
one
that
was
as
1?
we've got that as 4 now. 1.
It says number 1 should be here.
What? Why?
It said number 1 starting was closest to your radiator.
Number 1 cylinder is closest to the radiator. Number 1 position on this could be anywhere right now.
And you don't know where inside the cap is number 1.
Right. But I know this is 2 just because it was still on there a while ago.
Unless somebody moved that.
Something in that truck.
Okay, we reworked it again.
He said that we can have them.
You guys, this guinea keeps getting on the other side of the fence and then frantically pacing back and forth, trying to figure out how to get back to the right side of it. Day after day after day. Why do you keep going in there, friend? We also moved Miss Honey over by the bull today because it is about the time that she should be in heat. They've been getting acquainted, you know, sniffing, and they were laying over there, kind of where the bull is. They were cuddling a while ago. Now Miss Honey saw me come over here, so she's gonna see if I've got any grain for her. Anyways, we'll see how that turns out. Well, thanks for hanging out with us this morning. We hope you guys are having a good day, and we will see you in the next one.